Bonjour et bienvenue à Learn French with Alexa. Today, folks, we are going to learn farm animals words, okay? Les mots sur les animaux de la ferme, okay? So, I'm going to start with the first one. The first word today is un poulet. Can you say that? Un poulet. And that is a chicken. Now, you notice that all you together make the sound ou, so we say poulet. Okay, and we do not pronounce the T at the end of this word. The next word is un coq. Un coq. And that is a cockerel. Un coq. Très bien. Une vache. Une vache. That's my vache interpretation. Une vache. Une chèvre. And that's a goat. Une chèvre. Remember to repeat after me, okay? Une oie. Une oie. Okay, if you look at this word, it's quite hard because it has only vowels. So O-I-E together make the sound oie. Okay, oie, and it has no W. But adding une in front of it because it's a feminine article, then we have to say une oie. We have to make the liaison. So it sounds like this. Une oie, a goose. Une oie. Okay? Un cheval. Un cheval. And that's a horse. Un cheval. Une souris. Une souris. That's a mouse. Une souris. Un cochon. Or should I say un cochon? Un cochon. It's a pig. Un cochon. Très bien. Un rat. Un rat. J'ai peur. Oh, I don't like that. Un mouton. Bleh. Un mouton. And that's a sheep. Un mouton. Okay? And to finish, une dinde. Une dinde. And that's the turkey. Une dinde. Okay? So I've chosen these animals because they are the main farm animals. Obviously, you will think of other. And what I have not done either in this lesson is that giving you the female version or male version of these animals, by the way, because otherwise it's just a long list. So I've given you the main ones, okay? Now, I would like to go over this list again, and I would like you to repeat after me, and then we'll play a little games together. Now, here we go. Un poulet. Remember what that was? A chicken. Un poulet. Un coq. And that's a cockerel. Now, répétez. Un coq. Une vache. Une vache. Now, when you have the CH together, it makes the sound sh and not ch, like in English. Okay, so watch out for this one. Une vache. Une chèvre. Une chèvre. And that's a goat. Une oie, or une oie. Okay, and that's a goose. Une oie. Un cheval. Un cheval. And again, it has the CH together and makes the sound sh and not ch. Un cheval. Une souris. Une souris. Okay? Un cochon. Un cochon. Un rat. Now have a look at this word, quite simple but quite hard to pronounce if you are not French. Now the ra. Okay, we do not pronounce the t at the end. It's a rat, obviously, where we don't pronounce the t. Un mouton. Un mouton. Again, this one is quite tricky to pronounce if you do not read French. Now, O-U together make the sound ou, and on, O-N make the sound on. Okay, so mouton. Un mouton. And to finish, une dinde. And again, the letters I-N together in French make the sound un, and we say dinde. Okay, une dinde. And that's the turkey. Une dinde. Okay, now have a look at the list again. Okay, have a look quickly at the list because now it disappears. Why? Because I'm going to play a little game with you. You're going to hear sounds of animals and I would like you to match these sounds with the right word. Here we go. Listen carefully. Okay, what is it? Do you want to listen to it again? Yes, that's right. It's une vache. Une vache. Très bien. Listen to another sound. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Un cheval. Un cheval. Un cheval. Here's another one. Listen carefully. What is it? Un cochon? Un mouton. Very good. Un mouton. Très bien. And here is another one. Yeah. Un cochon. It's a pig. Un cochon. Well done. Very good. You passed the test. Okay, now have a look at the list and practice using the list. And why don't you try to make a sentence using the list? For example, un cochon est dans la ferme sur le tracteur. Oh, okay, that's okay. A pig is in the farm on the tractor. Now, I wanted to say the chicken, maybe. Un poulet est dans la ferme sur le tracteur. Something like that, okay? So try to use your prepositions, okay, and make simple sentences using dans la ferme in your sentence, in the farm, okay? Now, why don't you leave a comment with your sentence and I shall correct it, because I do, okay? That's it for me. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to know a bit more about what goes on in and the new videos in Learn French with Alexa. Au revoir, à bientôt, bisous bisous.